So this is how to make a 3 ingredient face mask at home. So all you'll be needing is basically avocado, aloe vera, and honey, and you would also be needing a bowl, a spoon, and a jar to pour your face mask in when you're done making it. So yeah. And yeah, this is just me trying to scoop all those avocado into the bowl so that I can mix them up with the aloe vera and my honey. Yeah, so while that is done, I start with my aloe vera. So like I'm just trying to get all that juice out of the aloe vera. But if you want an easier way, you can just advise you use a knife. So like just split your aloe vera open and use a knife to scrape out the juice. This is where I added the last ingredient, which is honey. So I didn't want to add too much, so I was actually being adding them. I was adding them bit by bit, so I can see what the consistency looks like. So as to know if to add more honey, but it depends. It depends on if you like honey, depends on your preference. Some people like more honey in their face masks, and some people prefer little honey. So just basically mash it up into a paste. It doesn't have to be smooth. It doesn't have to be smooth. It just has to be mixed together, properly mixed together. Then you pour into your jar the way, and you can find a little container to pour it in so you can be able to store it so it won't go bad.